Hey everyone, welcome back to Gadgetverse. Today, I'm introducing one of the most feature-packed compact drones you can buy right now, the Potensic ATOM 4K GPS drone. This sleek little flyer combines cinematic stability, long flight endurance, and pro-level tracking features, all while weighing under 249 grams, making it perfect for both beginners and advanced creators. Right out of the box, the Potensic ATOM impresses with its ultralight design and foldable frame, meaning you don't even need FAA registration in most regions. Despite its small size, it delivers massive performance, powered by a 3-axis mechanical gimbal that ensures buttery-smooth footage every time you fly. No more shaky clips, even in wind, your 4K video stays perfectly stable. Speaking of video, this drone records stunning 4K/30 FPS Ultra HD footage with exceptional detail and dynamic range. The built-in Sony CMOS sensor captures crisp images, while the QuickShots mode lets you pull off cinematic moves with a single tap, like orbit, rocket, and follow shots, making it perfect for travel vloggers and aerial filmmakers. The visual tracking system takes automation to the next level, locking onto a person or object and keeping them perfectly centered while flying. Whether you're running, cycling, or hiking, the drone follows smoothly, letting you focus on the moment while it handles the filming. When it comes to endurance, the ATOM crushes expectations with a total of up to 96 minutes of flight time using the Fly More Combo's 3 smart batteries. Each flight lasts around 32 minutes, impressive for a drone this lightweight. Plus, with 6 km real-time image transmission, you get smooth, low-latency video straight to your smartphone or controller. The GPS-assisted flight system ensures precise hovering, automatic return to home, and stable positioning even in challenging environments. It's built to keep your flights safe and easy. Just take off, explore, and let the drone's intelligent safety features handle the rest. Whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or creating travel vlogs, the Potensic ATOM delivers premium drone performance without the complexity or heavy price tag. It's portable, smart, and ready for any adventure. Check out the link below to grab your Potensic ATOM 4K GPS drone on Amazon and start capturing your world from a whole new perspective. And if you love tech reviews like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. You won't want to miss what's next here on Gadgetverse.